Namaskar, I'm Suruchi Das and you're watching Rhythm News. In a surprising turn of events, a Delhi court has granted interim bail to Lok Sabha MP from Baramulla, Sheikh Abdul Rashid, also known as Engineer Rashid, until October 2nd. This bail is to allow him to campaign for the assembly elections in Jammu Kashmir. Earlier, Rashid has been in Tihar jail since 2019 on charges of alleged terror funding. The situation is quite jarring. It's astonishing that a person who has consistently spewed venom against India is now allowed to campaign for the upcoming Jammu Kashmir assembly elections. Shortly after his temporary release, this individual vowed to oppose Prime Minister Narendra Modi's Nyaya Kashmir narrative. Since the abrogation of Article 370 in August 2019, Jammu and Kashmir has undergone substantial changes. The region has formally integrated into India as two distinct union territories. This transition included various administrative reorganizations, the extension of Indian laws previously not applicable to Jammu Kashmir, and advancements in infrastructure, security, governance, and political dynamics. Additionally, there have been significant economic initiatives by the central government, as well as impacts on human rights and social conditions. However, several notorious figures, including Engineer Rashid, were genuinely concerned about Jammu Kashmir's development because their aim is to hinder progress and perpetuate a climate of terror in the region. Rashid was arrested on August 9, 2019, just 4 days after the abrogation of Article 370 and the removal of Jammu Kashmir's special status. At that time, almost the entire political leadership of Kashmir, including 3 former chief ministers, were also detained. On October 4, 2019, Rashid was named as an accused in the second supplementary charge sheet. The charge sheet also included 4 other individuals: Yasin Malik of Jammu Kashmir Liberation Front, Shabir Shah of Jammu Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party, Masrat Alam of Jammu Kashmir Muslim League, and Duktaran-e-Millat leader Asya Andrabi. According to the NIA, Rashid utilized various public platforms to promote separatist and secessionist ideologies, maintained close ties with several terrorist organizations, and sought to legitimize the United Jihad Council, a group of anti-India militant organizations in Jammu Kashmir. The NIA based their actions on a Facebook post by Rashid, where he was reportedly trying to defend Hafiz Saeed. Rashid allegedly stated, हाफिज सईद की सियासत से डिफरेंसेस हो सकते हैं, उनके तरीके से डिफरेंस हो सकता है, but at the end of the day, he's fighting for a political cause. उसका कोई global agenda नहीं है. Engineer Rashid's legitimacy as a candidate for the Jammu Kashmir Assembly elections is deeply questionable, given his recent history and ongoing actions. The interim bail granted to him, allowing him to campaign, is a stark contrast to the gravity of his past actions. The decision to allow him to campaign, given his history of promoting secessionist sentiments and alleged terror links, is highly contentious. It raises serious concerns about the integrity of the electoral process and the appropriateness of allowing such individuals to participate in shaping the future of Jammu Kashmir.